Alright, hello boys and girls. Alright, I'm gonna be showing you how to navigate around the Launchpad once again now that my module is completely set up. So I'm on Theodora's Launchpad right now, right here. And then I'm gonna be going to Canvas. Before I go there, remember there is iReady right here, BrainPop right here. You can access your AR right here, Library Research Tool, and then Renaissance, and then you have your Reflex Math on the bottom and Skyward on the bottom where you can check your grades. So I'm going to be going to Canvas, and then as I said before, I have opened up your language art course. And then notice how there is also 1920 Students Millennium Media Center. That's where you can access your announcements. So when you get here to 1920 Students Millennium Media Center, you can go under announcements. And then Miss Pomeroy will be posting stuff on here. So if you want to access your announcement, it's right here. To go back, I'm going to click on Dashboard. And then I'm on Language Art Grade 3, Miss Hwang's class. Once you get there, I'm going to show you a couple things. Now, I'm going to go under Modules. When I go under Modules, you're going to see Module Week 1. I have March 30th through April 3rd. So, oops, let me make that big again. So March 30th, I'm going to click on here, and then when you get there, the announcement will tell you what to do. So on Monday, it will tell you, all right, complete the Nearpod lesson that is assigned, which is on the next page. And then complete iReady reading lesson for 30 minutes, get your green light on Reflex, and read your book on Epic, and take your AR quiz. So after you read my direction, you can click on Next. Once you click on Next, you're going to see that I assigned a Nearpod lesson for Monday, March 30th. So all you have to do is you're going to click on this, load it, and then it will show up on the other tab. And then you're going to see your lesson. All you have to do is join session, and then you're going to do your lessons. After you are done with your lesson, you can open the Notes Navigator and see how many pages, how many slides are on here. So today you're going to have 18 slides, okay? So after you're done with that, this is how you can navigate where you are. You are on number 1 right now, and then you're going to move on. So after you join session, you're going to do your lesson, and after you're done, you're going to simply get out. Once you are done, you can go back on Modules. Now, notice how I put up everything for your assignment for March 30th on one page. So I want you to go back after you're done with your Nearpod. You're going to go back on the announcement page for Monday, and then you're going to see what else you have to do. So you still have reading lesson 30 minutes, green light, and Epic and AR. Remember, Miss Hwang can check everything that you're doing. So I need you to work. This is not your vacation time. It is your time for you to work, okay? So every day you will have something to do. So notice on Wednesday, I have something else going on, which is News ELA. So if you look at the announcement page, you see that there's Nearpod lesson, News ELA, and then iReady reading lesson, get your green light, and then Epic. So let's say I do my Nearpod lesson first. Let's say I did that, and then I'm going to go click Next again. And then News ELA. All I have to do is click on it, load it, and then you're logged in right away. Showing. Okay. So you're going to click on the assignment. And then remember I told you about how to annotate. You can highlight a sentence. And you can make the annotation with different colors. And then you can write something that you would like to add on. Delete it after you're done reading this. there's an activity that you're going to do right here. There's a writing activity, and then sometimes it will have the comprehension activity. And then it also has the practice power words. So you can do that also. So once you submit it, I will be able to see it and I will be grading your assignment. Once you're done with it, obviously, just simply get out. All right, and then, so module page is mostly what I need you to be, where I need you to be on, so you know what you're doing. If it goes back. Okay, make sure you are following daily what you're supposed to be doing. You know, Ms. Hwang, I don't like you working ahead. So on Monday, all you have to do is the Monday assignments. Tuesday, you're going to do Tuesday assignments. Wednesday, you're going to do Wednesday assignments. Thursday, you're going to do Thursday assignments. And Friday, you're going to do Friday assignments. You don't have to do, obviously, something. You don't have to work ahead. I just need you to keep up with what is assigned for that day. Now, one more thing I want to show you that's really important is here it says conferences. Conference is where you will be able to see my face. So Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 11:30 or 1 o'clock to 2:30, you're going to be able to come into this conference to see my face. So notice how it says Language Art 3 conference is in progress, and if you click on orange button, you're going to be able to join my session. Uh-oh, let me try again. Okay, I see what's going on. Because I am not on the session right now, that's why it's not opening. But from 10 a.m. to 11:30, and then 1 o'clock to 2:30 on Monday through Friday, all you have to do is join right here, and then you're going to be connected to my conference room. So you're going to be able to see my face. So once again, 3 things that I need you to know. The homeroom, which is my first page. Your modules, right here. This is what I assigned you, and you're going to go through day by day. And then next one is the conference. Conference, sometimes it won't let you click on join. That means I'm not ready. So, okay, so when you are able to click on join, that means I am ready for you to come in and come see me if you have any questions or things like that. So my office hour, once again, is 10 to 11:30 or 1 to 2:30. You're going to be able to join me right here to see my face through the conference button. So I hope this is very helpful. This is what I need you to kind of pay attention as you are getting ready for your digital learning next week. So if you have any questions, ask your mom to text me, okay? Bye.